Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see it for yourself inside of this buckle, I have some mixed leaf. Like when I said mixed leaf, I'm talking about you can go to the shop and you let's see like lettuce, iceberg, rocket, and sweet jam lettuce and all these things. So I just fill my small blender right here. If you notice, from right here to here, roughly about 2.5 handful of salad, or about 2 handful of salad. I'm going to make a nice lovely drink from it, and I'm also not going to be using no sweetener, no honey. I'm just gonna keep it natural. The reason why I want to keep it natural, because sometimes too much sweetness doesn't good for us, but I'm going to be adding like some other stuff inside of it which can bring up a flavor to it. So basically like this now. This is some tangerine, which is really good for you. I'm gonna put a few, just one, all of one which I peel and remove the skin. If you doesn't know what is tangerine, you can go to the local shop or supermarket. This is the way it look. So I'm just gonna use one. Secondly, I'm going to be using pear inside of it also. I'm using one medium-sized pear. You can get pear at local shops. If you don't have any pear, you can use apple. Now we're going to put some ginger. That's some ginger. A nice lovely piece of a ginger. Cucumber. So I'm using roughly about just a piece of a cucumber, not much. Just keep it simple, you know. Then we're gonna fill it with some water. Roughly about 2 cups of water inside of it. And what we're going to do is blend it. It's gonna take a little time to blend. Nice and lovely. You don't want to overgo with the blender, bro. You know what I mean? I mess up your blender. All right, so that's why I just stop it right there. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do now is strain it. You can have the fiver. It's not a problem with the fiver. All right, fiver is all right, but a lot of people doesn't like the fiver, and some people don't like it. So what I'm gonna do is run it through my strainer. Look at that. All right, that is beautiful and fantastic. Look at that. So that's the fiver which we are talking about. That's the fiver. Some people have the fiver, but sometimes I don't have it, you know what I mean? Sometimes I just drink it natural as it is. Yeah, lovely. So once you do that, then get your glass and you're going to fill it up with some natural juice. And what you're gonna do, you just put a pinch of apple cider vinegar in it. Just a little pinch, because my buckle is really filled. So there's a new buckle. Get a teaspoon, give it a lovely mix. Once you do that, then give it a lovely squeeze like this with a half a lime. If you don't have lime, you can use lemon juice. It's fine. I'm always using lemon juice. Lovely and nice. So guys, take a good look. Beautiful, really nice and fantastic. And I know 100% someone will make this at home. All right, enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipe like this coming for you, and we'll always give you the best recipe in this whole entire world. So check out Chef Ricardo. This one you can drink it like during the day or at night before you go to your bed, you know what I mean. Give it that something to you to work inside of you. This is just like a healthy juice to drink, instead of you're gonna buy some diet this or some, you know what I mean, some fizzy juice. This is something which you can use to fit in the fizzy juice. So enjoy it, subscribe and leave your comments. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and I will see you next time. Bye bye.